It is wheel bearing day for the Nissan. Shop told the guy he needed 2 fronts, so we got 2 fronts. There those are. And then, which I'm pretty excited about because I get to try out my new tool. I seen Eric O from South Main Auto Channel use this, pulls the hub right off. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to use it. He bought the really expensive name brand one. I got the cheap knockoff. So I don't even know what brand. Actually, it doesn't even say a brand on it. Doesn't matter. Let you know if we'll see if it works. If it does. If not, we'll send it back and pretend I never got it. Go back to the old stuff. But anyways, I'm excited. We're gonna try this bad boy out. So let's get this vehicle jacked up and tires off, and let's get started. Take out the two 22 millimeter bolts that are holding this caliper bracket on. .32 millimeter. Oh yeah, it's our lucky day. Look at that. There's one. Now, if you really wanted to do this the easy way, all you do is take off that outer tie rod and take off those 2 strut bolts, lay it forward. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to work around that. Just grabbing an 18-inch breaker bar just to get the stubborn ones broken loose. Oh, there we go. And we'll do the one on the other side. One more. So just by turning the wheel, I was able to do that. And last but not least, we'll take the 10 millimeter. With any luck, that'll come out. And it did. Nice. Just tuck that up and away. Okay, so I'm assuming something like that. Yep, okay. All right, this looks, obviously that'll fit right here. And then here's the forcing screw. Put that through like so. All right, pressed up against something, the firm part of that knuckle. So now with the 22 millimeter, drive the screw forward, hope for the best. Oh, that was cool. Look at that. All right, this tool was worth every penny. That beats a slide hammer. Done. There we go. Out with the old. Now we're gonna straighten the wheel out, get this cleaned up, and then put it back on. Alright, I got those back in. They're not fully tightened yet. So, if you have a Nissan, looking at 177 foot-pounds. Seems like a lot for that year. Every other year is 135, 155. So yeah, there you go. And then, yeah, we'll just get the rest put on. That's how you do it. Now, does it take a little bit longer? Yeah, I won't lie. It does take a little more longer, not utilizing taking off this and the outer tie rod, but just wanted to show you that it is possible to do it. Really, all you need is a 3-inch extension, but I grabbed a 6-inch extension and a 17 millimeter. And yeah, that's really it. So you can do it without all those extra steps. Again, it just takes a couple extra minutes. You know, nothing terrible. Yeah, it saves you from, you know, the headache of, these are usually a pain, especially if they've been there for a while. These outer tie rods. Plus you got to put all new cotter pins in because I don't like reusing them. So I'm going to get this torqued down and get the rest put back together. Hope you like this video. It's kind of a longer one, but the tool worked out great. I'll leave it in the description. Again, this is just generic. It's not the really expensive. I think he bought like Lyle or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, as usual, Eric was right. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and if you need some high-powered LEDs, head down in the description. There's a discount code with my referral link, and the brightest LEDs and the longest lasting I have ever came across. And see you guys next time.